Good sunny morning, YouTube. It's tea time. Max, you ready for tea time? You're not in your usual spot. Molly, you ready for tea time? You can't get to your usual spot because Max is in it. We're gonna have to rearrange everybody. Now we're in our tea time spots. Ready for tea time now, guys? Okay.
Good morning, YouTube. Oh, it's chilly, but it's not raining. We didn't lose any trees, which is always a good thing. I got my coffee. Just looking at the bank. I wouldn't say we didn't lose any trees, actually. Ooh. We lost some smaller trees. Some that were already down. But we didn't lose any overnight, although it sounded like we were going to. It was brutal overnight. It was really scary. I don't think there's anything worse than hearing 100-foot tall trees creak all night long. Dewey's favorite time of year is any time of year we open the curtains and the sun beats down. He loves being in the sun. Little sunbather, huh? Love you. I love you. This day is chugging right along. I spent my hour relaxing, which I always do because relaxing is important, giving yourself time to wake up. Anyway, but now it's 10 minutes of 11. I just finished some light housework I did. Made the bed, folded the laundry, put another load of laundry in. I feel like I did something else. Oh, I did the dog dishes. I'm getting ready to empty the dishwasher. Glamorous life. Glamorous. I am contemplating. I'm going to bake something. Kristen is having a rough day, and I think she deserves something a little sweet. But I don't know what to bake. So we got to think about that a little bit. And I think I'm going to wash the floor today, but I don't know. It's 20 past 12, and I did mop the floor and then made a colossal mess in the kitchen. I made us one of these to split. They're delicious if you've never had them. They're $1.25 at Walmart. Very good. And now I am making a pound cake, watching some YouTube. We got asked 2 questions yesterday and one the day before yesterday that I wanted to answer. Someone asked how old Molly and Max are. Molly is 5, almost 6. Max just turned 4. And Dewey is what, 12? 10. He's 10. I'm aging him prematurely. Kristen's having a rough day at work. The other question that was asked about the dogs was what food we feed them. For dry food, we feed them Taste of the Wild Pacific Stream. Molly and Max are both grain sensitive. So they get twice a day, they get 1.5 cups of the dry. And then on top of that, they get half a can each of Merrick wet dog food. And that seems to work for us because there's some variety. Molly gets a little picky if she eats the same thing over and over again. And Dewey eats a prescription diet. He eats, I have to look. It's a low oscillate, I don't know which word it is. Food, it's Royal Canin urinary SO, moderate calorie, and he loves it. And we do have a dry food too, but we don't use that very often because we need to add water to that because Dewey needs to get as much fluid as possible because of the stones he has in his bladder so that they don't travel further. The other, I don't know if it was a question so much as a statement, was, is that a Christmas tree? Yes. That is a Christmas tree. That's not our Christmas tree that we have up, but that is the Christmas tree of handmade ornaments, like knit and crocheted ornaments or ornaments that viewers have sent me. And it was up all year round in my studio, but Molly has taken quite the affection to that tree, and she lays under the tree with her nose pressed under the tree, and it's so adorable. So it's staying downstairs for the time being. Although Christmas is supposed to go away on New Year's Day, but Molly's worth it. Okay, I'm in the car. I just had to run and get us gas, and I need to drop some things in the mailbox, pay some bills, and get milk. We go through phases where we don't drink any milk. Not really, don't drink any. Where we drink a ton of milk, and then I change the way I buy the milk, and then we're throwing milk away. So, can't win. Got my milk. I also stopped and picked up something we needed for Sunday for a birthday present. So that's one less thing we'll need to take care of over the weekend. And we can relax a little bit. I'm sure I mentioned already today, Kristen's having a rough day. So anything that can lessen her load, she works really hard. She works really, really hard for us. So now I'm going to make the very short drive home. And I think, I don't think, oh, I have to flip the laundry into the dryer because I'm done cooking, so I'll do that. Back outside with the kids. You know how it goes with dogs. Let the dogs in, let the dogs out. Let the dogs in, let the dogs out. Oh, Max. Ooh, the wind's blowing. The windy, 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 windy. I pulled out a puzzle to work on. This one's pulled out a harem. We've got a horse, a bunny, a monkey, there's a dog over there, and a pig. Definitely not a monogamous chihuahua, are you, Dewey? 5 o'clock somewhere. Is it here? 5:45 somewhere. We've got Mama, Dewey, Max, and Molly, and the puzzle. Max helped with the puzzle. He decided that I wanted to do a section all over again. Right. Well, my back is revolting from sitting on the floor hunching over, so this is where I'm going to stop today. Dewey, Molly, Max. Now I gotta put it away. I am going to go and cook dinner, and my beautiful wifey Doing dishes.
Just putting dishes away right now.
Do you want to say goodnight to the YouTube?
Good night to the YouTube.
Unless there's something you wanted to say to them. Come on, Molly. It's time to go to bed.